Talofa, guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel, another Sunday cooking episode. So as you guys can see, I woke up not too long ago. Today we're doing something different. It'll be a very simple menu. As you guys know, mentioned in the podcast earlier yesterday, Uncle is in New Zealand at the moment, so it's just me, my wife and the kids. So we're just going to do something really simple today. Hopefully it stays simple again. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Special for Talofa to our Inga members. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. We'll definitely catch you guys soon. Sorry guys, still half asleep at the moment. But yeah, let's get on to it. Alright guys, so we're doing Faalifu Taro today. I think it's a lot harder than the umu, but we thought it'll be probably simpler, but it's not simple. But yeah, food is food. We've got Lipo there on the coconut, so he'll Faalifu Taro. I'll probably head off soon to begin the cooking for today. Right, so we've got chicken, beef, and Luau Mamoe. So I'm thinking I'm gonna roast the chicken. We'll think of something to do with the beef, probably just like a stir fry. I'm tired of stir fries, but we'll still do it. And then for the Luau Mamoe, we'll probably do it well. Right, so we've got the beef here. This is leftover beef soup bones from another Sunday I had, but also this cattle leg that I used in one of our episodes. So I'm just going to skin off most of the meat from here, and then we'll use that as well. Right, so now we're going to quickly brown off the meat. Once we feel it's nice and brown, then we're going to add a bit of water and then just let that simmer over the period. We've got the bone left here. We're going to roast this with the chicken. Remember guys, it's not what you don't have, but it's what you can do with what you have. So it's always about being resourceful. Right, so we're gonna go get some luau and laupele. Luau for the mamoe and the laupele just a small amount for the stir fry. Many of you might not know, but when I first started doing this, oko luau, my poor family had to eat hard taro leaves because I didn't really know the difference. But as you cook a lot more, you start to get used to the difference between the hard leaves and the soft one you need for the luau. So thankfully I learned pretty quick. Right, just a little bit of lift. Alright, that's looking pretty good. I added just a little bit of water. I'm going to cap it again and let it steam for another simmer for, on high heat, I think, on another 20 minutes. So I'm not going to add any oil to this because it's mostly fat anyway, but we're going to try and render down the fat and we'll remove some of it off and then we'll start adding in the luau. You guys hear that sizzling sound? Just like bacon. So now that the mamoe is set, I poured away some of the oil. I'm going to put it back on the heat and add the luau inside. Crushed garlic. Then we're going to add some onions. And then we'll add the luau once that's set. bit of water and put it on low heat. Right, so we've got our roast here. Got the leftover cattle leg. Got the mamoe that I put aside from the mamoe. Got our chicken. We've accidentally run out of soy sauce, so I'm just going to hit it with a salt and pepper mix, some onions and garlic. It's actually looking not half bad. Yeah. Almost there. Pasta looking good. Alright, so I just added another cup of water back into here, just to ensure that the taro leaves are completely cooked. Sausages is on the heat. This is frying now, so we're almost there. And then we'll add in the pasta, a bit of flour just to thicken it up, and some lopili. So now it's thickening up a bit after we've added the flour. So we're now going to add the onions and the garlic, and then add a bit of water just to bring it up to a gravy level, and then we'll add in the pasta and the lopili. And if you guys could smell this, whew, so good. Chicken luau. We're gonna let that reduce down to when it's about to fry, and then that'll be set. Getting this one, just waiting for the onions to be cooked. Then we'll throw in the pasta, bit of water, and then the lopili. Alright, that's looking really good. So you can see it's about turning into a gravy now. We just need a bit of water, and then that'll be completely good. So adding in the water now. And that'll turn into a gravy. Then we add the macaroni and the pot. Bam! There you go, buddy. So this is absolutely tender right now, and it looks so good. Now, so it's almost like a stew now. Now we add the macaroni, and that'll absorb again the moisture, and then we add in the pasta, the lopili. Ma, siya kami kisa wait pa. Chao kwat kami velay oh. Anak salah kang coffee ko may mo kami aya Alright, luau is ready now. Sausage almost there, you guys can see, and then I'm just gonna cap this, let it simmer for a bit. Alright guys, so most of the dishes is now ready, just waiting on the roast now, and then we'll have our result for you guys. So we've come to the end of our episode. Results ready, so I'm going to show you guys our food for today. So starting from this side, we've got our Luau Mamoe, Pau Mamoe, and then we've got our sort of like a beef stew with macaroni and the lopili. We've got our smoked, or not smoked, like chorizo sausages. We've got our roast chicken and a bit of the roast mamoe there, as you guys can see, and then our Faalifu Taro. Looks good. So hey guys, again, I said it was gonna be simple today, but nothing turns out simple when I'm cooking. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. We're gonna get into this and enjoy it with the family. It'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share our channel, guys. We'll definitely see you on our next video. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, guys, and we'll see you soon.